hand a 1.5 to 10 millimeter cable join kit with Earth Kit. So it's available with low-cost small parcel delivery directly from freetv.ie. So it's Filoform are the company that manufactures these kits. The basic idea is that you want to join two electrical cables outside within the size range I've just mentioned, and you want to do it underground in a manner that will stop over a period of time water getting in. Okay, so this is the actual unit itself, or the outer box itself. If a user manual is reasonably good, it gives an overview of the steps, how to join the cables, and also then the steps in terms of mixing the actual resins together anyway. So it's a polystyrene resin that you're using. So what do we have here? Well, we have the actual resin that comes in a steel bag. I'm going to come back to that in a moment. We have the mold, which will go over where the join is. We have a cable here which uses for just sealing it. And then what we have here as well is we have a cloth specially designed for cleaning it. And this comes in because of the earth thing on. So we have little copper strips here as well, and a cable, and that's for doing the earth join. So if we rip open this bag, will resin pour out? No. Inside of this bag, even though it looks fully sealed, what we have inside here is actually two bags. Okay, so if I ran my finger down along the edge here, I can actually feel a little plastic stick like this. And when we pull this apart, it allows the two sides, the two different types of liquids inside to mix together. And what will happen then is, at that point, you can mix them, and then it's ready to actually set. So when they're poured into the mold, it sets in a little cap you can put directly over it here. So it's very effective. We have a range of different sizes for different types of cables, all the rest of it here, but all are doing basically the same job. So that's it anyway, an overview of the 1.5 to 10 square cable joining kit with Earth, available directly from freetv.ie.